Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can add a user in Google Workspace, so it's really quick and easy. The first thing that you will have to do is ensure that you have the correct plan, or you have a plan that you could actually be able to access Google Workspace. And after you log into your account, you will basically see this interface right here. So what you will have to do is click users, and after you click user, you will just have to click add new user, which is right here, and then you will enter your user's full name, email, and initial password, and you could also assign roles and groups if needed. And then again click add user, and then the user will receive email with login info. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, you should also always remind new users to update passwords on first login. Again, thank you so much for watching and have an awesome day.